Hi everybody, how are you today? I want to introduce myself and especially I want to tell you three things that not a lot of people know about me. Number one, I am a very big fan of Manchester United. I only wear Manchester United football shirt. I want to show all of you my shirt. I have the red one and I also have the black one. Right. I only love Manchester United. I will not wear any football shirt except my favorite team. Number two, I have a blood type A. My blood type is an A1. So you want to know more about a personality, you can go to internet and search for the personality of people who have a blood type A. The last one, three things about myself. I want to live and work in Australia. Yes, now I've been working in Thailand, but perhaps next step, I want to study more, I want to work more, and I want to live in Australia. But I don't want to spend the rest of my life there just for a couple of years and to earn money and to earn experience, and after that I will come back to Southeast Asia. Especially I want to live and spend my last life in my homeland Cambodia. All right, this is a very short review and introduction about myself. And now I would like you to tell me, and as well as your classmate, three things about yourself that not so many people know about this. You can also tell us a secret of your life. Thank you. Now your turn.